The National Biotechnology Development Agency, Nabda, says transformation of agriculture in Africa requires a new approach focusing on science, technology and innovations to increase productivity for food security, generating surplus for trade and exports. This was revealed by the Director General of the agency, Professor Abdullahi Mustafa, at a one-day North Central Farmers and Agri-Extension Agent Sensitization Workshop in Abuja. The need for safe biotechnology application, especially in agriculture, is integral in the roadmap towards achieving the set objectives of improving productivity, quality of food crops, and income of farmers. Mustafa says it is therefore important to sensitize the North Central on the benefits of modern biotechnology practice to counter most health-related claims made by antics, as food production is not matching the population growth rate.
You know, as a new technology, you need to give an insight of exactly what the technology is all about, and that is the basis of my lecture. You see, is the basic information that I was trying to give. And when you give people that this is what you are deploying to them, it gives them confidence. It gives them an insight of what exactly is going on in the scientific world that you have provided to them. They have challenges, and those challenges were taken and were resolved. To give them back those solutions is why you put them together, to now enlighten them that this is what you are giving them back. For example, when you take the cotton, the worm that is disturbing the cotton, I've explained it vividly and they understood, and you can see that they are very much happy. When you take the cowpea, we have taken the maruca, the insect that is devastating the crop, and I explained how the whole biotechnology research activity is taking place right from the laboratory down to the biosafety, down to the National Varietal Release Committee, then to the farmers, to the market, and for utility.
With the theme of the workshop, extension agents and farmers capacity building on BPR cowpea and BT cotton cultivation, the Open Forum on Agricultural Biotechnology OFAB in Africa believes it will equip farmers and stakeholders awareness on the technology concepts, secure sufficient buy-in from individuals and accessibility to seeds.
The training is actually supposed to capacitate the farmers and the extension workers and then update them with happenings around biotechnology usage in Nigeria, especially in the area of agriculture, because some of them maybe are hearing about it the first time. So we actually want the whole country, farmers everywhere to be involved in this, to know. Some of them that have not heard about it, fine, they're hearing, and then we're explaining to them this is how the technology is and that, and this is what it's supposed to bring. And it has happened in other countries, so that's actually why we're here. And I think everything is going on well, they're happy with it. And the next thing is for them to begin to buy the seeds, purchase the seeds, plant, and then see for themselves. And then they will also hear stories from those who have planted, evidence-based stories, because we're not lying, we're not just talking, but we also have products at hand that are really working.
Regulatory bodies and extension workers at the workshop commended the new technology, saying it is the way to go in securing food productivity, offer economic, environmental, and social opportunities in the years to come.
Farmers need to understand that GM seeds, genetically modified seeds, is to enhance higher productivity, to solve problems, to reduce the use of chemicals in some areas, and also to have a more environmentally friendly and a better agricultural practice. So this training is to enlighten them that, look, GM seeds that are approved are safe, because there have been some anti-GM groups that go about telling farmers that GM seeds are not safe, they are harmful to the environment, they are dangerous and they can kill and all those things. So with this training, it will let them understand that whatever government has approved for that is safe, they should believe, and also know that it's not only Nigeria that are eating, not only Nigeria that is eating GMOs, there are other countries that are eating genetically modified organisms, and the ones that are made for commercial release are those ones that are safe.
Extension generally is about extending new ideas to farmers. So with this training, we'll be equipped to tell them the new development and the technology in biotechnology to how they can, what they need to know about the new happening in agriculture, because some of them are used to the old ideas of producing food, which they don't get, they put too much but get little. But with this development, this training, I'll be equipped to train them on how they can improve on the technology of food production.
Experts in biotechnology who understands the role genetically modified seeds play hopes that the policy issues related to improving biotechnology innovation in the country is explored, as well as existing modern biotechnology research capacity, opportunities and limitations in Nigeria is identified. Aniye T. Patrick, Core TV News, Abuja.